how to fix this error on Valorant. Please restart your game client, and if you find it, it's easy. First, just type here Windows, and here we'll find Windows Update Settings. Now just click check for updates, and then just make sure to install all the updates that you can find here. And now just go back and then restart your PC to install the updates. And after that, now it's easy, just type here services, scroll down until you find here VGC. Right click on VGC and click properties. You will find it like that. Just make it automatic and click apply and OK. And that's it. Now just try to run Valorant and you will find that your problem is fixed. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.